Hi guys, welcome back. If you watched my last video, I was trying to blaze some single track in my area locally. It wasn't a complete fail, but I have some work to do yet and work out my tools better to take with me because just a machete and a two-stroke dirt bike is kind of hard to cut a brand new trail. So what I'm going to do in this video is go and clear a trail I know exists, and it's one I haven't rode yet, and I'm excited about it because it's pretty sick. It's a single track and it goes down this mountain. So tomorrow that's where I'm going to pick up. But first I want to talk about my saw setup and what's going on with that and what I'm going to do. So first of all, this is a China saw from eBay. I've used it for over the last year. It's flimsy. It works okay. It was like under $100, 22-inch bar. Way too big, way more than I need just to clear trails, to clear logs off and things like that. So I acquired a Poulan Pro 260 for free, and what I'm going to do with that is, if I get it running right, because it does fire right now and shuts off right away, if I get it running right, I'm going to put an even shorter bar, because I have an 18-inch bar for it, and use that to mount to the trail bike, which will probably be the XR now, not the KLR. I'm going to try to make that my trail clearing bike, and with the basket setup I talked about in other videos. So back to this Poulan, will fire and then shut off. I did find on eBay now, same place I got this saw from, for $12.88 I got a brand new carb, fuel lines, fuel filter, spark plug. I think that's it for this, and I'm hoping that'll remedy what's going on because it is older. It's pretty sturdy Poulan for a cheap brand, but it's maybe it's in the fuel lines, maybe the fuel filter's clogged up in there. If that works, I will go to a 12 or a 14-inch bar to put on my trail clearing setup, like the XR or the KLR. I still don't know. So tomorrow I'll have with me this China saw. It's called a Chainsaw 5200. I've seen them branded as different things on eBay. They're still available. They're tweaking them slightly, but that's just like a China pit bike or something. They're essentially the same thing, but they're just changing the color and giving it a different name, and someone else is selling it and charging an extra $10. So I do have to do some maintenance on this saw tonight. Make sure I have my bar roll ready and two-stroke mix. If you're watching this video and expecting me to shred this trail, it's not going to happen. You can click off it now. I'm just going to be hiking and cutting stuff up and what you see now. So we'll catch up with you tomorrow.
Need no goddamn taxi fare. We're gonna trim them holes in a rocking chair. Take off all the rags. We're gonna play a little game called tag. Tomorrow night after Ron Cocksucker's ball.
Okay, we're getting pretty deep into the woods, even though there's still signs up here. Getting to the destination where I'm gonna clean this trail. If you watch my Middle J video, it may or may not come out there, I can't say. But we're almost to where I need to be. Alright guys, I don't know how well you can hear me. I just have the GoPro on my chest. But this is the trail I'm clearing today. I'm carrying a fucking 30-30 and a chainsaw that's too big for this nonsense. Looks like we got our first victim already here. I don't know how well the camera will pick this up, but this is a big long side hill trail. I mean long as in this section is sketchy. See, it's even got like a lip build up here. Very sketchy even to walk on. I doubt you can see the perspective with the GoPro, but alright, so maybe on the phone you can see a little better how steep it is. Comes down past me, keeps going down like a side hill pretty far through there. But this is straight up here. We're down to the hairpin where it goes that way. And well, you can see I got some trees to take care of down there.
This is going to be one of the harder obstacles here. I'm thinking about just knocking the bottom off of that so you can at least get under it. Let's see how that goes. Now, this is gonna be some work. This is what I saw a few years ago. Okay, now you see it, and now you don't. This is gonna be a freaking mess. Ay caramba, so much shit to cut. I cut a few of them over there, but I am gonna need a hand with that. So much to cut there, and some of it's sketchy on this hill. Give me a shout out in the comments if you want to come up and help me clear that out. There you have it. That's what you could do with a $100 eBay chainsaw. My opinion is, you know, you can never use it professionally to break, but it reminds me of, say, like a Walmart bicycle or a Chinese pit bike. If you use them for their intended use, don't abuse them, and maintain them a little more, they serve their purpose. They may break a little easier, but they still are, you know, a pit bike, a chainsaw, a mountain bike from Walmart. You know, check out this old building sidebar. But yeah, as you can see, the saw works like it's supposed to. I got the trail 3/4 of the way clear. That last, what do you want to call it, clump of trees that fell across the trail was some work, and that's all downhill. So I wanted to get back up over the hill before it got too late in the day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more of every stuff. Riding, cutting, slutting. Alright, maybe not slutting, but...
Come on, you poor ass singers and you big, big slingers. We're going downtown to the cocksuckers ball. Fuck, suck and fight. Tell again of the broad daylight. We don't need no goddamn taxi fare. We're gonna trim them holes in a rocking chair. Take off all their rags.